Is your AC secretly draining your bank account? The answer might surprise you. Forget strange noises or age. There are hidden warnings you're probably missing. Knowing these signs tells you when to replace, not just spend money on a repair. Clue 1. Your health. Are allergies worse at home? Old ACs pump out allergens. Clue 2. The refrigerant trap. R22 or R410A repairs are getting very expensive. Clue 3. Short cycling. If your AC constantly turns on and off, it's failing fast. A new unit means better health, no repair traps, and saving up to 30% on bills. Don't wait for total failure. Replacing your unit now is the smart money move.